Hello, welcome to our classes. I am Dr. KK Misra. This video tutorial is on UGC NTA NET पेपर फर्स्ट। जी हाँ, ये हायर एजुकेशन पर है। पेपर फर्स्ट में हायर एजुकेशन पर भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं। दिस इज पार्ट 6। कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज मोर इंटरैक्टिव एंड स्टूडेंट सेंट्रिक? अगर आप कंपेयर करें सेमिनार, वर्कशॉप, लेक्चर और डी ग्रुप डिस्कशंस, हियर करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी ग्रुप डिस्कशन। 2. The parliament in India is composed of, correct option is C, the Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha and President of India. जैसे कहने का मतलब, जैसे ही हम पार्लियामेंट शब्द पार्लियामेंट बोले, पार्लियामेंट का मतलब तीन चीजें, लोकसभा, राज्यसभा, प्रेसिडेंट। 3. The enrollment in higher education in India is contributed both by formal system of education and by system of distance education. Distance education contributes, the correct option is B, 25% of formal system. Now, question number 4. यहाँ पर assertions दिए हुए हैं. A. The UGC academic staff colleges came into existence to improve the quality of teachers. Reason. University and college teachers have to undergo both orientation and refreshing courses. अगर आप यहाँ कंपेयर करें तो assertion भी ठीक है और रीजन भी ठीक है, इसलिए करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, जिसमें कि ए और आर दोनों सही हैं और आर करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन है। 5. द एक्रीडिटेशन प्रोसेस बाय नेशनल असेसमेंट एंड एक्रीडिटेशन काउंसिल, जिसको कि हम नैक बोलते हैं, जो कि यूजीसी के अंतर्गत आता है, डिफर्स फ्रॉम दैट ऑफ नेशनल एनबीए, नेशनल बोर्ड ऑफ एक्रीडिटेशन, in terms of, correct option is C, once get accredited by NBA or NAC, the institution is free from renewal of grading, which is not a progressive decision. तो यहाँ पर correct option is C. Which opinion is not correct? Correct option is C. Central Advisory Board on Education was first established in 1920. Which option is not correct in fact? So यहाँ पर correct option is C. 7. Networking of libraries through electronic media is known as InfLibNet. Correct option is A. 8. SITE stand for Satellite Instructional Television Experiment. SITE का फुल फॉर्म कई बार नेट में पूछा गया, ये इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है। 9. What is the name of the research station established by the Indian government for conducting research at Antarctic? So correct option is C, Dakshin Gangotri. 10. Ministry of Human Resource Development, HRD, includes A. Department of Elementary Education and Literacy, B. Department of Secondary Education and Literacy, C. Department of Women and Child Development, or D, all. Correct option is D, all. 11. The right to impart and receive information is guaranteed in the Constitution of India by Article, correct option is D, 19, Clause 1, Subclause 8. 12. Use of radio for higher education is based on the presumption of, correct option is C, everybody having access to a radios. 13. The first Indian satellite for serving the educational sector is known as EduSat. Correct option is C. 14. Exclusive educational channel of IGNOU is known as Gyan Darshan. Correct option is A. 15. मैच करने के लिए है ये। एक लिस्ट आर्टिकल्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दिया हुआ है और दूसरा उनके एक्सप्लेनेशंस दूसरी लिस्ट में है। अगर आप यहाँ ध्यान से देखें तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, जिसमें कि आर्टिकल 280 इज एसोसिएटेड विद फाइनेंस कमीशन एट यूनियन लेवल, बी that is article 324 that is related to election commission of India, C article 323 that is related to administrative tribunals, and D article 315 the Union Public Service Commission. Question number 16. Match list first institutions with list second locations. Institutions यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं। यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें तो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज डी, ए, that is National Law Institute at Shimla, B, Indian Institute of Advanced Studies. Third, Hyderabad. C. National Judicial Academy. Second, that is Bhopal. And Savings Institute, Nagpur. Now 17, ये भी मैचिंग का क्वेश्चन है. लिस्ट फर्स्ट एंड लिस्ट सेकंड. लिस्ट फर्स्ट में यूनिवर्सिटीज के नेम दिए हुए हैं, लिस्ट सेकंड में लोकेशंस हैं. तो यहाँ पर अगर आप देखें सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ए, वेयर डॉक्टर हरसिंह गौर यूनिवर्सिटी, दैट इज 24th at Sagar. B, that is Saint University, so here it is at Baroda, sorry, B first, that is Mumbai. And C, MS University, second, that is Baroda. And D, JN Vyas, third, that is Jodhpur. 18, ये भी मैचिंग का ही है. So correct option is B, where A, that is Parliament, this will go to third, implementation of budget. B, fourth, that is C and A, Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Justification of income. C, Ministry of Finance. Second, that is enactment of budget. And D, first, that is executing departments, so formulation of budget. 19, most of the universities in India, correct option is C, conduct teaching, research and examinations. 20, which of the following is not a constitutional body? Correct option is B, Planning Commission, though Planning Commission is no more existing, this has been replaced by Niti Aayog. 21, to make teachers accountable, they should be given, correct option is A, freedom in the selection of content and the methods of teaching. 22, who is the custodian of fundamental rights of people? Correct option is A, the Supreme Court. 23, the social heritage of people could be described by the following term. A, culture. Correct option is A. 24, which of the following characteristics could be regarded as the outstanding aspect of a scientific culture? So that is quantification. Correct option is D. 25, in India, education means D. Education means, here correct option is D. A, where all are important. A, the assimilation of traditional language. B, respectful behavior to elders and teachers. D, customs. 26, which of the following standing committees of parliament has no MP from Raj Sabha? Correct option is B, estimates committee. 27, India is a, correct option is A, secular state. 20, the council of ministers is responsible to the, correct option is B, Lok Sabha. 29, the judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the, correct option is C, President of India. 30, which of the following are the ideals set forth in the preamble? So A, social, economic and political justice. B, equality of status and of opportunity. And C, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship. All are included. So this was about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it. And if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel R Classes and press the bell button and pass on to others those who are needy now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck. Thank you.